Hari Bol. Okay, my heartfelt blessing with you. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Garanjana Salakaya Chakshurmitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Vitadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namah. Vanchakaludravasya Kripa Sindhu Bhaivacha Patitanang Pavanebhu Vaishnave Namo नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदी देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीन अपराधलक्षै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मिताशां वदामि राधां करुणभराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। आदेवी काकुहर गदगदयद्वाचा जाचनि पत्तिभुवि दण्डवदघटार्ति अश्रप्रसादममुदशयनस्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विधि अङ्गसैमुलिविछटामन्दे कृतेन्द्रे वरं जड्डं जाचो गुरुरुचिशं पट्टं वरस्य श्रियं बिन्दारण्यवासनदिलसद्धामे दामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशलोज्जलो भुजां ध्यायं दामोदरम्। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञायते राधे तन्नयामि चरणान्तिके। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my spiritual master Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and pageanted all of my respectful guests. Okay. Okay. So, actually, unfortunately, I did not meet with devotees of Russia after tour of my Russian tour, and almost 1 month over. So, for this regard, I want to inspire the devotees how they develop in their spiritual life. I hope all you are in good health and also performing your sadhan and bhajan to divine couple Radha and Krishna. Like, sound is coming. Even outside the fan can. So I hope all you are performing bhajan and sadhan and bhajan, but I tell you how to control of your senses, and because Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in his Nectar of Instruction very clearly explain that every sadhaka should be control the urges of the senses. And because our scriptures very clearly, if you not control the urges of your senses, you will never to develop your bhajan and sadhana. Even Kormis, Gyanis, they also control their urges of the senses. And Mahaprabhu very strictly instructed all his followers, they have to control their senses. So, in this way, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad composed this first verse in the Nectar of Instruction. Then, Vacho Vegam Manasa Krodha Vegam Jiha Vegam Udarapasta Vegam Etan Vegam Ju Vishati Dhiro Sarvam Pimang Prativing Sasisat. The first, everybody have to control the urges of sense. First, the Vacho Vegam. They control the urges of your speech. Second, Vacho Vegam, Manaso Vegam. Control the urges of your mind. Third, that is called the control the urges of your anger. And fourth, control the urges of your tongue. Then fifth, that you control the urges of your and control the urges of your stomach. And sixth, that the control the urges of your genital. Eh? Then you will be able to perfect way to practice the devotional service to Lord. Right? So first I just explain this Bacho Begum control the urges of your speech. That means what you will speak, you have to control what you are speaking and have to control yourself. So so we say in Ramayana Mahabharata also coming and from this. And Sita Devi, she also used many harsh words to Lakshman. For this regard, Ravan kidnapped to Sita Devi. Then big war came and big problem is there. So that is called the Bachavegam in Ramayana. Second, also Mahabharat, Draupadi, she also used many harsh words to Duryodhan. For this regard, big war and has come in Mahabharatam. So for this, in this way, there are many stories and in our scriptures. If you not control the urges of speech, then big problem will come, and also our mind will be disturbed and very difficult to perform bhajan and sadhana. But Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada very clearly explained what is the perfect meaning of the urges of the speech. The perfect, the urges of speech always engage your uh, speech to, and to speak Hari Katha. Without Hari Katha, your mind will be never controlled, and you will be never to able to perform bhajan and sadhana. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam very clearly explains Sinnatang Sakatha Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtana. Japadrani Vidunati Suhiti Satam Nashtra Prayesu Abhadresu Nittang Bhagavata Sevaya. That means you have to listen Hari Katha because the Hari Katha is very powerful because the transcendental potency are coming from the heart of the pure devotee, and so Harikatha, and this Harikatha will give so much strength in your heart, then you will be able to perform bhajan and sadhana. And that is so. This Harikatha means our Lord Hari Himself, and there are no difference Harinam and Harikatha. So Lord Himself enter in the ears and of the listeners and coming in their heart and clean all the unwanted things, and Lord Himself seated in their heart. And, and Sri Hari Himself clean His heart, all kinds of anarthas removed. And for the topmost Harikatha, that is called the and Krishna's sweet amorous pastimes with the gopis in Vrindavan. So for this regard, Sukdev Goswami Pad, he concluded in the end of Rasulila with the gopis and Krishna. And Vikritam Bhajudu Idancha Vishnu Sadhanito Unusunnat Varnedata Bhakting Parang Bhagu Bhagavati Padilabhakamo Hidrogam Asu Apihnoti Achirena Dhira. In this verse, Sri Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad very clearly explain and In this material world, no one can control their lust. Even Brahma, Shiv, Narad, they cannot control their lust. And though they are called Mukta Purusha and liberated person, but they are doing perform this lila. Even Brahmaji, he also run behind his daughter Sandha, and Shivji also run behind and Mohini Devi, and Narad Rishi also run behind one young lady who went to taking a fetching water from the pond. So in this way, there are many stories also explained in this way. No one can control the lust, but only Lord Vishnu, and that means Krishna, who is the supreme personality of Godhead, and he performed Raslila with the gopis in control and in all his senses. So for this regard, Raslila's one name is called the and Kam Vijay Lila, the victory of the lust. So one who listen this Kam Vijay Lila Katha, Raslila Katha, and from the lotus lips of pure devotees of Lord, and then he can control his urges of the lust. And so far they are Vikritang Bajabudi Idam Vishnu Shraddhanito. But how will listen this Rashla Katha from the lotus lips of high class exalted pure devotee of Lord? The condition is that you have to form faith. Because conditioned soul, their faith is very soft. Eh? Because soft faith, there is the Komal Shraddha. Eh? So for this regard, sometimes they cannot determine what is good and what is bad. Cannot determine what is good and what is bad. But Krishna Katha is very powerful. That is called transcendental vibration. This transcendental vibration enter in the ears and destroy all kinds of unearths, unwanted things from their heart. Hmm? So for this regard, our Shastra explained this Sinnatang Sakatha Krishna Punno Sravana Kirtana Jabhadrani Vidhunuti Suhidi Satam Nashtra Prayesu Abhadresu Nittang Bhagavate Seva. Here the condition is that Nittang Bhagavate Seva. Every day you have to serve Bhagavatam. Here two Bhagavatam. One is Grantha Bhagavat and is called Bhakta Bhagavat. And, but you have to always try to associate with Bhakta Bhagavat. Bhakta Bhagavat, that is called the life and the Bhagavat, that is called Jivanta Bhagavat. Uh, or another Srimad Bhagavatam, also Grantha Bhagavat, that is your transcendental sound is there. Grantha Bhagavat, this Grantha Bhagavat also non-different from Krishna. Because Srimad Bhagavatam, 12th canto Srimad Bhagavatam, that the 12 limbs and body of Krishna. So Srimad Bhagavatam, that is means non-difference from Krishna. But one thing is, if you alone read Srimad Bhagavatam, maybe you not understand what is the inner meaning or perfect meaning of Srimad Bhagavatam. Because in Chaitanya Chaitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explain in Bhagavad Vibhu, प्रति श्लोके प्रति अर्थे प्रति श्लोके प्रति अक्षरे नाना अर्थ कय ग्रंथ भागवत is very great and there are different meanings every word